Cak. Pengetua sekolah tengah bagi briefing no. Pelajar-pelajar nak pergi rombongan naik Fraser no. Dia habang siap-siap, rokok jangan bawa, dadah jangan bawa. Siapa kantoi sagam, dia pergi campak dalam gaung tu. Hui nayo pak kari. Muah cikit.
Grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. Only thing I did was dig at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditating. I don't need you to save me. Feel like all of you hate me. Everything's been so hard with all the situations lately. I just need to numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the
Weh, benda coklat. Tengok, weh. Ustaz tengok ayam ke tu? Memang. Ustaz tengok ayam. Tak, masalah dah nak potong ni. Tak nampak. Tak jadi. Aduh. Kau ni punya pasal.
Well, maybe I'm done, maybe
No, punya ramai si minyak habis lah minyak bawah tanah tu. Dengan kekuatan anggota dalam 40 orang lebih. Habis sedut depa. Kena panggil lori lagi ya. Topak minyak bawah tanah tu. Hui. Apa-apa pun jangan hisap gam no. Elok.
I've lost, still putting up a fight because I love my mom, I love my family. When I was young, they would all look after me. I don't know why, but I feel like a burden. I spent my life overthinking my purpose. Can't really cry, I'm so used to the hurt. Trauma keeps flipping me at the wrong moment. I just wanna numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain.
Semut berkawat satu-satu, hura huri. Semut berkawat dua-dua, hura huri. Elok. Sebaris saja no. Sebaris dalam barisan.
To numb the pain for a minute. I just wanna run away on vacation. I don't know what else to say now. I just need to numb the pain. I know we grew up a little too fast. I miss the days that we chill and relax. Where did the time go? It all passed. Now I need to go back. I had no worries but always had plans. Only thing I did was dig at the trash. Now it's much harder to laugh. Hard to get up and then work on my craft. I need inspiration. Don't need no validation. No more medication. Just try some meditation.